Good afternoon, 7th and 8th graders. Here will be your instructions for your activities for today. So our dashboard is up to date. We're not going to go through the bell ringer with it, but you can go through and just look and identify 2 biotic and abiotic factors from that ecosystem. There's 3 things that we are going to go through. First thing, I'm going to also have an additional video on where I will talk about the energy flow and how things flow through an ecosystem is one part. As you're listening to that video and my instructions on that, there'll be some guided notes for you to fill out. All that information will come from my lecture with those notes. And then practice with that. So practice number 1 will be this one. Where you will have to identify what is the third level, second level. Let me restate that. Which one of these pictures represents the third level consumer, the second level consumer, the first level consumer, and which is a decomposer? With that, there's 4 words up here. Those 4 words match these pictures. All you need to do is drag and drop with that one. Okay, so that's the first part. And then practice number 2 on this one, what you are going to do is you're going to illustrate a food web. You can draw this on paper if you would like, or you can create this digital version. And I want you to illustrate the relationship among grass, a grasshopper, a mouse, a rabbit, a coyote, and a hawk. Okay, remember to draw the energy arrows pointing towards the organism getting the energy. Use the following information. Grass is a producer, so that is part of the ecosystem that all it does is it produces. Then we have the first level consumer, which is a grasshopper. Then the mouse and rabbit are first and second level consumers. A coyote is a second and third level consumer, and a hawk is a third level consumer. Okay, so you're going to insert pictures of those. If you do the digital, make sure you have the arrows pointing in the right directions with that on which one is receiving the energy. That will be your tasks for today. Hopefully that all made sense. If you do have questions, I'm going to be able to track me today. So you can email me and I'll try my best to get back to you, but I can't guarantee anything. But have a good day.